Surya Vidyaniketan.
Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Are you having a good time at home? Are you being safe? Are you just being at home? Please stay at home, stay safe. So, today we are going to learn matras, Hindi matras. So, first we need to learn why matras are so important. In Hindi, letters and sentences are not complete when the matras are not used in it. So to enable to complete words and sentences, matras has to be used in Hindi. So that's why it's very important to learn matras. So that's why, because matras are so important, Hindi letters are divided into two parts: swar and vyanjan. So in previous weeks we were learning swar. So mostly swar are matras, and vyanjan is the second part of Hindi letters. So vyanjan is incomplete without swar. So in able to complete the word using vyanjan, swar has to be used there. Okay, so that's why it's very important to learn matras. So swar mostly consist matras. Okay, so let's start with the matras. Yes. So children, I would like you all to bring your Hindi school book. Please bring your Hindi school book. I'm gonna count 1 to 5 till you bring your school books. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you got your Hindi school book? Yes. We are going to start Matra Dohraiye part in your Hindi school book. Please open page 2. Please open page 2. Yes, page 2. You see this? This page. Please open this page. This is page 2. So open this page. You see these figures. On top it's written Matra Dohraiye. And then you see these figures. Open this page. So let's start with the matras. So the first matra is a. So a is a matra. So a does not have any particular figure. This itself is a matra. Like a for anar, right? A for anar. A for anar. A for anar. Pomegranate. It's called pomegranate in English. A. So a itself does not have any, like other matras have specific symbols, right? Like a has a symbol, but a does not have symbol. A. So a for anar. 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 It's called pomegranate in English. A for anar. A for anar. A for anar, which is pomegranate in English. A for anar. A for anar. Pomegranate in English. So this is your first matra. O for anar. So now start. This is your second matra. A. 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 So A. So A is symbolizes as, like, how do we write A matra? This is A. You put a straight line and then you put like a horizontal line on top. So you put a vertical line, straight line like this, and then you put a horizontal line on top. So this becomes A matra. This is A matra. A. That's how you write A matra. Arm. A. A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. That's how you write A matra. That's how you write A matra. So you see this? A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. So you put a straight line, like vertical line, and then you put a horizontal line on top, and this becomes A matra. This becomes A matra. A. So A matra comes after, in between the word. Mostly A matra comes in between the word, like you see this A matra. So A matra mostly comes in between the word. Okay? A. How does A matra comes? It comes in between the word, like this is in between. Arm. Okay? Now your third matra, E. 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 That's how you write E matra. That's how you write E matra. E matra. This is E matra. Like E for E matra is used in this word din. Din. Din means day. You see a sun is coming. That means a day. Din. It's called din in Hindi. E. How do we write E matra? Like this. So I'm gonna write it for you. You see this? E. E matra. This is E matra. So you put like this. That's how you put like a half circle and then you take this down. So E matra always come before the word. Always remember, E matra comes before the word. You see, like this is the. This is the. So this matra comes before it, right? This matra comes before the word, right? So what does matras do? Matra changes the whole sound of the word. So matra changes the whole sound of the word. When we add matra to the word, like we add E matra to the word, it changes the whole sound of the word. So the whole swar letters we learned, they are all matras. So they are matras. What they do, we add those matras, swar matras in Vyanjan letters, and then they change the whole sound of the word. Okay? So for example, the, na are Vyanjan letters. This is E matra. That is a swar matra. So we added E matra on top of Vyanjan letters. So this is E matra. It comes before the word E. So if I remove this matra, this word will sound done. But when I add this matra, this word sound then. Then you sound that matra E. E. When I add E matra to this word becomes then. 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 Right? If I remove this matra, If I remove this matra, like if I remove this matra, this word will sound like done. It's a wrong word, but we have to add matra in order to complete this word, right? Okay, now the word is then. Then. So E matra comes before the letter. E matra comes before the letter. How do you write E matra? You put half circle and then a standing line like this. Then a standing line like this. Okay? Okay? So you put a half circle and a standing line like this. It comes before the letter. This is small e. So this is small e. Small e. It sounds like E. E. It comes before the letter. It comes before the letter. Big E. Before we learned small e. E. Now we are going to learn big E. 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 So the E matra is opposite of E matra. E. E. Big E matra is opposite of small e matra. How do we write big E? This is big E. How do we write big E matra? Like this. You see this figure? You see an elephant here? Elephant. Elephant is called Hathi in Hindi. Hathi. Hathi. So in the end of the word, the badi e means big E matra has been used. Big E matra. This E letter, big E letter, is written like this in form of matra. Okay? Like small e letter is written like this in form of matra. So that's how you write big E letter. Okay? So Hathi. Hathi. How big E. So big E matra is used in the end of Hathi letter. Hathi means elephant. Elephant. So you see this? This is big E letter. Now that's how you write big E matra. Okay? This. So you put a half circle and then you put a standing line like this. Just in the opposite direction how we did for small e matra. This is big E matra. In big E matra, you put half circle and standing line this way. Now for big E, there is a small circle and standing line in the right direction. For small E matra, the standing line comes in the left side of it. You see, left side standing line and then a half circle. For big E matra, half circle and then standing line in the right direction. Like Hathi. Hathi. And small e matra comes before the word. Like then. So it comes before the word. Okay? Then. Now your fifth matra, U. 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 You learned this letter, right? U. How do you write letter U in form of matra? Like this. Like this. So how do you write U in form of matra? Like this. So tortoise. You know tortoise? It's kachua in Hindi. Tortoise. It's called kachua in Hindi. You see this matra has been used below kachua. Kachua. let's see how do we write this letter. You see this? Oo. Oo. How do you write this in form of matra? You go like this. You go from below to up. From below to up. Okay? Oo. Kachuwa. Kachuwa. So you go from below to up. Okay, from below to up. So Kachua is tortoise in English. Kachua. Kachua is tortoise in English. Kachua. Have you seen Kachua? Ooh. Kachua. Kachua. Now, big oo matra. Oo. How do you write big oo matra? You go from up to down. Oo matra. Big oo matra. Big oo letter. How do you write big oo letter in form of matra? Like this. You see this bird? It's pigeon. It's called kabutar in Hindi. So it's pigeon. This bird is pigeon. It's called kabutar in Hindi. Kabutar. Oo. How do you write oo matra? Like this. Oo matra, you write like this. It's pigeon. This bird is a pigeon. And in Hindi it's called kabutar. You see this matra below the word? I will show you. You see this? This is big oo matra. You go from up to down like this. This becomes big oo matra, like kabutar. Kabutar. Kabutar is a bird. Kabutar. Kabutar is a bird. Yes, kabutar. Like before we did small oo matra. Small oo matra goes from down to up. Small oo. Kachua. Kachua. Now big oo matra. Big oo matra goes from up to down. Kabutar. Kabutar. Kabutar is a bird. Kabutar. It's a bird. This is big oo matra. Yes. So let's do next matra. Re. Re. So that's how you write re matra. Like this. Like small c. So you write re letter like this in form of matra. So re. How does come re matra? Re matra comes like this. Re for Rishi. 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 So how do you write re matra? So re matra comes like this, like small c. Re matra. Re matra comes like small c. Okay? Re matra comes like small c. The next matra, A. 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 So A matra is written like this. A. A. Save. 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 This is save. It's apple in English. Save. Save is apple in English. This is save. Save. Okay. A. 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 So A matra, you put one flag on top. You see this flag? You put one flag on top. Sa, a, b. So this is one flag. Seb, a. One flag on top. Seb. Now comes big I matra. I. This was small a matra. A. It has one flag on top. I. It has two flags on top. Like this bag. This bag is called thaila in Hindi. Thaila. It has two flags on top. Yes. Thaila. It has two flags on top. So, how do we write a matra? Two flags on top. Like this, two flags on top. That's how you write I matra, big I matra. Two flags on top, like th, two flags on top, la, thaila, thaila, thaila. So, with small a, there is one flag on top. Like seb, seb has one flag on top. It's called apple in English. So, I has two flags on top. Yes, it has two flags on top. Like thaila, thaila has two flags on top. Two flags on top. You see this? So it's bag in English. Next to the next matra. O for. So O matra. You see O matra. That's how you write O matra. So you see this peacock. It's called peacock in English. Peacock. It's called peacock in English. So peacock is called more in Hindi. So peacock is called more in Hindi. You see this matra, O matra is used in between more. It's peacock. More is peacock. So how do you write O matra? So O matra, you put one standing line and one flag on top. Okay? You put one standing line and one flag on top. More. So O matra always come after the word. Okay? It comes always after the word. It comes always after the word. Okay? O matra always come after the word. For example, more, which is peacock, which is peacock. More is peacock. So, ma, O matra, a standing line and a flag on top, and then ra, more. Okay, more. So, like this, O matra, standing line and one flag on top. O matra is written like one standing line and one flag on top. More. One standing line and one flag on top. So, more is a bird. It's peacock in English. Now, ow. Like ow for aurat. Ow. So ow, how do we write ow matra? Like this. One standing line and two flags on top. One standing line and two flags on top. So paudha. Paudha is called plant in English. Paudha is called plant in English. So paudha, this is a plant. It's called paudha in Hindi. Pa and then comes au matra. One standing line and two flags on top. Yes, one standing line and two flags on top. Paudha. It's called plant in English. So that's how comes au matra. One standing line and two flags on top. So au matra. Au matra. Au matra. One standing line and two flags on top. Pa, this is au matra. Au, dha. So what matras are doing in between these Vyanjan letters? It is changing the whole sound of the word. Now you see, this is a matra. This is a matra. One standing line and on top. This is a matra. So there are two matras used in this. Au matra and a matra. So au matra and a matra has been used in this whole word. Pa, au, dha. How do we write au matra? Like this. One standing line and two flags on top. Pa, au, dha. Paudha. Okay. So paudha. One standing line and two flags on top. Paudha. Okay. So are you following me up? Yes. Be on this page. Look properly what is in your school book. Follow the text and see the video also. Refer the video meanwhile. So matra. So matra comes one sleeping line, one horizontal line and dot on top. That's how you write matra. For angur. Angur are grapes. Grapes. We all love grapes. Grapes. Angur. We all love grapes. So for angur. You see this dot on top. So that's how you write matra. You put a dot on top. Angur. Matra. So for angur. So matra is donated as dot on top. Like this. Matra. Matra is donated as dot on top. Angur. Angur. A dot on top. This dot becomes angur. Okay. So that's how you write matra. You put a line, sleeping line and dot on top. So this dot becomes matra. That's how you write this matra. Like this. So matra, letter. How do you write? So how do you write this matra? A dot on top. For angur. Angur. Okay. Angur are grapes. They are very delicious. They're very delicious. Angur. A dot on top. Angur. Then the next matra. Iya. Iya. So you see this and then half moon and dot on top. So how do you write iya matra? You put a sleeping line, then a half moon like this, like a half moon, like a half moon, like this, and a dot on top. Yes, it's iya. So it's iya matra. So like moon is called Chand in Hindi. Chand, Chand. So you see this, a half moon and dot on top. Chand. Yes, Chand. Since it's moon, it's called Chand in Hindi. Chand. So you see a half moon and dot on top. So this is iya matra. Iya. It comes with half moon and dot on top. Let's write iya matra. So you see this? This is not a letter. It is donated in form of matra. It is not a letter. It is donated in form of matra. You see a half moon and dot on top. It's iya matra. Like Chand, 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 Chand. So there is a matra, half moon and dot on top. This is iya matra, iya, iya. So half moon and dot on top. Like half moon, like a half moon, like a half moon and dot on top. Like Chand, Chand is this half moon. Chand, Chand is called moon in English. Chand, Chand, we call it in Hindi. Chand, Chand, Chand. Now, the next matra, Visarg. You see a and two dots in front of it. So this itself is not a letter. It is donated in form of matra, like two dots. For example, Namaha. So this matra sound like aha, aha, aha. So you see these two dots. So you put two dots in front of a word. This becomes Namaha, Namaha. It's a greeting like Namaha, 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 Namaha. This like two dots. Namaha, like two dots. That's how you write this matra. Right? That's how you write this matra. Namaha. How do you write aha matra? Like two dots. Namaha, Namaha, Namaha. So please practice all the matras. Write them again. Do the repetition. Write them again. Tally them with examples, and you will slowly learn the matras. Okay? It's raining here a lot. So please have a great day, children. Namaste.
A for anar. A for anar. A for arm. A for arm. E. E matra, has been used in din word. It always comes before the letter on the left side. E. E matra has been used in Hathi word. It always comes after the letter. Yes, on the right side. It always comes after the letter. U. 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 Kachua. 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 Oo. Oo. Oo matra goes from above to below. In this, it has been used in kabutar. Kabutar. Re letter has also been used in Rishi and also demarked as a C symbol, C matra in Vriksh. In Vriksh. A matra. A matra is one flag above the sleeping line, like sab above sa. Sab. Sab. A matra. A matra has two flags like above tha. Thaila. Thaila. O matra is demarked as one standing line and one flag on the top, like after ma, one standing line and one flag on the top becomes more. Ma o ra. More. Ow. Ow. Ow matra has one standing line, two flags on the top, like pa, au, dha, paudha. Um. Matra is demarked as one sleeping line and dot on the top. Angur. Like there is a dot on top. Angur. Iya. Iya itself is not a letter, it is a matra which is donated as half moon and dot on top like chand. Chand. Aha. Aha. So aha itself is not a letter, it is demarked as two dots. These two dots is called visarg, like na, ma, then two dots. It becomes namaha. Namaha.
पूर्णोदय विद्यानिकेतन पूर्णोदय विद्यानिकेतन